Hello everybody, my name is Soumya and I am your tarot card reader and a psychic. So we will be doing reading on very rare topic and reality based shopping, that is your person will give you divorce or not. Okay, there are two deck here as usual, deck 1 and deck 2. If you want to choose both of the deck, you can choose both of the deck, and if you want to choose one deck, you can choose your one deck. Okay guys, and I will be also giving you angels guidance, guardian angels guidance and oracle guidance as usual. So we will start with our topic. Will your person will give you divorce? Think of your person if you want divorce. And this reading is only for people who are in separation and being married, they are not happy and they are looking for new one. So, and most of them who are already separated and they want divorce and they are about to get married to the person, they can also watch it. Okay, or anything, any related issue, you can watch this video. Only married separated people, those who are not happy in their marriage life with their person, whether it's in love marriage, arranged marriage, you all can watch it. Okay, so hope you have choose your deck wisely, and you can pause video if you want to choose your deck. Okay, this is deck 1 again, this is deck 2. So I am starting off with my video now. So let's start with deck 1. Will your person will give you divorce or not? Will deck 1 person will give their person divorce? Will deck 1 person will give them divorce? Angel spirit, please guide me. Will deck 1 person will give them divorce? I feel there are lots of money issues going with you both regarding divorce thing, and you could be Gemini, Libra, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Tower moment. Okay, I felt like there are like many people around you. There are lots of money issues going on for some people in this deck. You are dealing with lots of money issues. I feel like you are working hard or they are working hard for giving you lots of money, or there was some money issues regarding your relationship. Okay, for some of you I see there are many third parties involved, like their friends, family, relatives and all. I also feel like their friends guided them very wrongly about you, and they were too much influenced from third party, because this card came in reverse. So I'll definitely say there was lots of third parties, and most of them are dealing with even financial issues still. Okay, and you had a financial issues in the past also. They were not giving you properly that pampering, I guess. I feel like they didn't give you love, and most of them had like tortured them because of the third parties. Okay, and I feel there was a tower moment too. It is like you both had a breakup, very bad breakup. As I told you, the situation, third parties, and money issues for some people. Okay, but for some people, this divorce will definitely take a case. There would be a call coming around you, or some message after few months, like after 3 months, January, February, March, it can come. Okay, and for some I will say it will take some years, because there are some financial constant going on. Okay, financial issues are going, like if you are female here, if you are watching this, you want a property or money, sorry to say this, so it will happen, but it will take some time, because you may, I feel most of you have your children also. Okay, two children or one children involved, so this case may take time, and Your person had tortured you in the past. Okay, you are a young and enthusiastic person. Okay, by age you must be little bit elder, 35, 40, but you have that enthusiasm in you that you will definitely get a divorce for some of my viewers. Okay, and for most of you will definitely get a divorce. You will get a call from court. Okay, your legal battle will definitely get you a part what you want, a success. Okay, but like there was a tower moment and you are still constantly thinking of them and you want it to be happen, but this is not the right time. Okay, there are some more problems coming between you guys more. Okay, this person has tortured you a lot. Okay, they didn't love you, right? This is a general reading. Okay, and it is with full of mixed energies, guys, because this is a pick a pile reading and everyone chooses it. So take what resonate with you. Okay, so let's see what your oracle says. Will your person will give you divorce or not? Okay, you are tortured by this person actually. He constantly like hated you very badly. They wanted everything according to them only, according to their parents. So they used to hit you and they used to show you that they love you, but they didn't. They were influenced by too many people. But you are looking for a new person, okay, and you are also very energetic, and this coming person will definitely give you another offer, guys, if you are thinking of a new person. And if you are already dating them, definitely they will come with you an offer, guys. Okay, don't go with this old partner. And if you are watching this, people in separation especially, don't go to this person. This guy is not meant for you. What is meant for you is only a new person. So I will just say, just go to a new person. Do your financial issues do get your financial issues resolved. Definitely you will get your success in divorce. And let the third party be, let them be with third party if they are being with them, because you are like very different kind of person, guys. Whoever watching this, you are very energetic, you want to do everything very fastly, and I feel you are like king and queen. Okay, you're full of royalty. If you are watching this, you have that full of royal thing in you, like butterflies around you, animals with you, around you, they want to be with you. Like this person, if he or she has a pet also, I can't, sorry to say, that pet will also become like them only, because animals also like they take our energy a lot. If you don't know, whoever watching this video, it's for them. So take what resonate again. And this person even loves horses a lot. Okay, and like if it is a new person, if you are thinking of a new person, he will be definitely an animal lover. Okay, for some people. And most of you are here are having a spiritual awakening. You are doing very good in your life. You are just working hard for your pentacles, for your money. Most of you have started a setup. You are applying for a new job and all. You are traveling around and you are a beautiful. Okay, so let's see what is there for deck 1. Will deck 1 person will give you divorce? Osho, please guide me. Angels, please guide me. Osho, please guide me. Will their person will give them divorce? Will deck 1 person will give them divorce? Okay, I feel like it will take time. Your this connection will definitely get a divorce, but very slowly, because there is a ripeness card here which says me it is like you are growing stronger, but this thing will happen very slowly with you. Okay, it will take time, guys. Okay, 9 months for some of you, 9 months for some of you. It could be because two nine cards are there. One is in reverse. 9 months. I will say 999. Take what resonate with you, or this number could be important for you. Nine number. Okay. So it will take time. Nine number. 9 plus 9, take what it is, because my maths is very poor, so you can calculate yourself. Okay, and end of a deck is the outsider. Okay, you know that your divorce will be happening, and if you will think very positively, you will open your gates, and there is always some, I would say, some road in it where you can see there is lots of full of brightness of a sun. Okay, brightness of a stars. So you will get a divorce. You are just waiting right now, and this is, for some people this is not a right time. Okay, as I said, there is a money involvement a lot. Third parties were there in your relation. Maybe you had a affair, or this person had a affair. You can have lots of children too. Okay, money resolving is going on, property resolving is going on. This person didn't love you, but okay, so it will take time. Whosoever will come very slowly to you, and you know what is right for you. Okay, guys, so this is like my oracle guidance. Now let's see what is there for deck 1 from angel guidance, your guardian angels. Okay, guys, I even gave angel healing. If you want to contact me, you can know about your guardian angel. Okay, so if you want to know anything, just contact me at Instagram page. Okay, if you are watching this YouTube video, you can just contact me on Instagram by Soumya Sai 222 Tarot with Soumya. You will find me very easily over there too. Take one person will give them divorce. Will take one person will give them divorce. Yes, you will get your divorce soon. Okay, 9 months most probably, or 1 year, 3 months for some people. Okay, so nine of abundance again. Okay, so you will definitely get your divorce around 9 months. Your guardians are saying, guardian angels and sisters, spirit guides, that life is a wonderful. Your hard work and dedication to your dreams will provide you great peace and contentment. Take time to energy quit moments of reflection and leisure. Feel free to buy yourself small luxurious gift. You earn the financial security and independence you now enjoy. Okay, what I said, same your guardians angels are saying, said same. Okay, so take what resonate, guys. Hope you liked my reading. Do tell me deck 1 if my reading resonated with you. Okay, on my comment below section, and do like my video if you really liked it. I will get to know that my reading is resonating with your situation. Okay, now let's see what is there for deck 2 people, those who chose this deck. Okay, okay, will deck 2 person will give you divorce. Angel spirit, please guide me. Angel spirit, please guide me. Please help me for deck 2. Please give me answer for deck 2. Will their person will give them divorce? I feel like your person is deeply thinking about you, or for this divorce. Okay, take what resonate with you, or you can also deeply think about them. If you're not, then you can think about a new person. Okay, you can be a Pisces. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Two of Cups reverse. I don't feel this was your soulmate connection. This was a karmic connection, guys. Five of Swords. Queen of Swords. Too much of Swords. I feel High Priestess again reverse. Okay, and end of the deck, Three of Pentacles reverse. I feel you guys are not soulmate connection. Okay, maybe you are thinking of them, or you are thinking constantly when you will get a divorce. Okay, right now your divorce situation is in relax mode. Okay, so you will get divorced, but very late. Okay, after 1 year, 2 years, for some it could be 5 years. Okay, there is lots of financial problems with you guys. See, if you can't believe me, there is lots of financial problems going on. You also want, like, if you are female watching here, you want property, money from your person. Okay, and they are not ready to give you. Okay, because I see this card reverse, and you are dealing with lots of financial issues, or your person is dealing with lots of financial issues. Okay, for some people, and for some people you are dealing with your financial issues, and you want money, property, because you are not stable, for most of you. And most of you, if you are stable, you didn't had a right relationship with this person. You both had, like, very clashes between you both regarding each and everything. Okay, they used to feel like they are the only one and they can only provide you, but there was no equal give and take, there was no trust only. And this is your karmic. There is no twin flame, there is no soulmate, and whosoever would be coming for you this deck, it would be a new one. Okay, for most of you, I see here, like, 5 months, 5 years, you will get your divorce. Okay, and for most of you, there is something cunningness going on behind, some selfishness, and most of you could be a selfish. And I feel like there is some hidden truth which was left. They didn't told you, he or she, that person didn't told you whom you were married to. Okay, this truth was hidden, and I don't know why they hide it, what they hide it. So this thing was making, coming into a divorce situation. Okay, so what I felt, I said it, but you will definitely get your divorce soon. Okay, you will definitely get your divorce soon, after 1 year or 5 months. Okay, or 5 years for some people. Okay, and sun sign, I told you, as usual, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio is very high here, and Scorpion energy is very high. Aries, Sagittarius. Okay, that doesn't matter, guys. Your situation matter. And now I will take Oracle. What your Oracle want to say to you regarding your divorce? Will deck 2% will give them divorce? Will deck 2% will give them divorce? Will deck 2% will give them divorce? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Will deck 2% will give them divorce? Okay, yes, you will have divorce. Rebirth card is there. I feel like it was like up and down with your relationship, but you realize what you are. You are worth than them. Okay, my viewers who have chose this deck, you are very worth. You had a rebirth, and you are on a spiritual awakening. You are doing inner work also, I guess. Yoga and all, meditation. You are doing manifesting. So definitely. And you had a fight in the past. Most of you were on patch up also. You had union also, reunion together. And most of you will meet a new person for sure. If you are looking for a new person, there will be definitely will be a divorce. Okay, for some people, not everyone. for most of it will be a 5 years, 5 months, or 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Okay, now let's see what our angel says for you. Angels, what is for deck 2? Will their person will give them divorce? Will their person will their person will give them divorce? Will their person will give them divorce? Okay, I feel like you need help from your intuition. You are not taking help from your intuition. You are thinking too much of negative. You will not get a divorce. But your guardian angel is saying like you need a helper of thought, which is your intuition. Okay, take help from your intuition, guys. Take help from your guardian angels or spirit guide, your ancestors. They are calling you for help. Okay, they know you are in suffering a lot with this person, and you must be in a separation too, and you didn't had a good past, and they were not a soulmate or neither twin flame. It was just a karmic relationship. So your life is about to start moving very fast. Events that seems to be a hold require all attention. There's no time to sit and ponder. You get to get moving. You get to get moving. Review the details as best you can. You know, will meet or are someone with a very quick mind who instantly grasps what to do. This person is both confident and courageous. Okay, I feel like your guardian angel is saying you good news. Deck 2, those who have chosen this, you will get a very courageous person. If this person didn't work for you, they didn't work hard for you, they didn't saw you as a queen, princess, and pamper you, or prince, I would say, and like they tortured you a lot. You had clashes with them every single day. What you said, they were like, no, 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 this is not right. Okay. And for you, like I would say, you were like deeply thinking about them. Like they have hided many things from you, deck 5. Okay. So your angel is saying take help from your intuition. There is someone new person coming in your life, okay, or you need to take lots of courage in you, make a new person in you. Okay, there will be definitely an action coming soon. Okay, your divorce will definitely happen, but it will take lots of time. But you see someone new because this person was not meant for you, deck 2. Okay, so this was my reading for deck 2. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know at my comment below section, and do like my video if it resonated with you, so I would also know that my reading is going with your situation. Guys, you don't like comment, how would I know that what is going with you? Especially my viewers, old clients, and new people too. Okay, do subscribe my channel and press bell button icon if you didn't. And if you want free reading, guys, I also give free readings, but only to new person who will subscribe my channel. Contact me. It will be only one question base as usual, and if you want other readings, it will be on payment base. I don't provide free readings every time, but this is an opportunity that I provide free readings only to new people. If you want free reading, subscribe my channel, comment below section your name that this file resonated with you, and like it, and like just say me or comment me that you are a new person here in my channel. Okay, and this is again I am saying because I don't say this thing again and again on my videos. Okay, so do let me know. And if you want payment reading, you can just contact me at Instagram directly. I provide my every rates over there. Okay, if you want to do video call, I also do that also, but you should be remain like, as I say, as you have to go with the rule. You can't just like sing me blah 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 on the video, otherwise I'll cancel even your reading. Okay, so this was my reading for people who are in separation and who aren't married, who are not happy also or whatsoever. So do let me know on comment below section was it resonated with you or not, and do like and subscribe my channel and press bell button icon. Okay, see you on next video guys. Bye bye, love you all.